Hi guys, so we are welcome once again to another special video I'm going to take right now. Today we are dealing with or we are treating a very important topic, crucial, which is update, the update keyword or edit, how to edit a record or a row in a database or in a table. So for instance, you want to change information in a database or in a table, you have to use SQL command to do that. So how are you going to do that? So I'm going to show you right in this video. Let's move straight away to it. Now we are going to still maintain our data set we have been using, which is world. Inside the world there are country, populations, like that. So let me just select everything there. Let me just say use world. So I'll use this database now, which is called world. Then I'll select everything inside there. Select star. Select star means select the column or the columns from countries. The name of the table is countries. Look at it here. So I'll select everything there right now. So you're going to see it. So you see everything there up to there are several information there. So now we are going to edit information, one of the records. Let me just say number 6. Number 6 is the first record there in that table. So I'm going to update it. I'm going to change it to Congo. Yeah, Congo. It's Burundi currently. I'm going to change it to Congo. So I'll use what you do is this: you use the keyword update, SQL keyword called update. So update you update the table. What is the name of the table? Country. Update country. Set, then you use keyword again. Set the column. The column want to effect change on is country. Set country to be equals to what? Congo. Congo is a country in Africa. So set country is equals to Congo, where and what ID does that changes. I mean that change you're gonna make. What ID does it belong? Or serial number doesn't belong. You say where serial number. You say where serial number. Let me click it again. Sorry. Where double click it. Where serial number equals to number 6. So quote number 6. Okay. So if you run it now, if you run it, you see it. Then it's effect change, but we are not seeing any error, so we are correct. So let us retrieve everything there to see so that we'll be able to notice any change within. So we have seen it now, so it's now Congo. So that is how to change or update a table, a record in a table within a database. Okay, so we're going to move to the next stage now. I want to change several record, not just one record or not just one row. I want to effect a change on let's say 3 rows at once. So I'm going to use the keyword between. I taught between before in my previous video. Please, you can take a look at it. My previous video on between, SQL between. So let's look at it right now. So we're going to take a look at it. Number 6 to number 8. I want to change everything there. I want to change the country names to a particular name. Okay, so I'll say update. It's the same thing I'm going to do. Update country. Update country. That is the name of the table. Set what? The column name, which is country. Set country equals to, let's change it to Ghana, please. Ghana is a country in West Africa or western part of Africa. I mean, is part of Africa. I mean, so let's change it to Ghana, where let's say in the column name to Ghana, where serial number between. So you can now use the keyword between 6. I want to show every serial number that has between 6 and 8. So I want to change it, sorry, and 8. So you change it. So you see now. So I'm going to run it now. So when I run it now. So after running it, then let us retrieve the available information there so that we can notice our changes or see if there's any change there. So I click it right now. So I see that it's now changed to Ghana. All number 6, 7, 8, they have been changed to Ghana. So this is how to effect a change or to edit or update information or record in a database or within a table within a database. Okay, so we have come to the end of this video today. Please do subscribe and help my channel to grow. I appreciate you so much for that. So thank you once again, and see you in the next class.